Alright, so you got your iPhone, right? You try to charge that thing, that battery is about plumb dead. You plug it in, and you get this. You hear it? I hate that. If you plug it in, and it's doing this number like a little seesaw, you probably got some crap up in your port. Look, do not go buy a new phone unless you just got $1,000 sitting up in your pocket burning a hole plumb through your leg. Alright, so probably gonna need a very high-tech tool. It's called the Gentek Triple Clean Floss Picks. Oh yeah. Don't use a wooden toothpick, okay? Because if the tip breaks off in there and gets jammed up in there or something, it could be a disaster. Alright, don't do that. Use the plastic ones. And don't go just stabbing it all crazy in there, okay? You don't want to tear it up. Probably got some lint up in your port. I don't know if you can see that, but anyway. Here we go. I'm going to try to show you. So just stick it down into one side and just gently rake it across. Just keep raking, keep raking, keep raking. Look at that. Would you look at that? There's one wad of it. I'm sure I've got more. Some more. Well, that lint is not letting your charger go all the way down into the port, so it doesn't charge right. There's some more. Freaking nasty. Well, there's a good one. Look at that. It's like 3 or 4 I've got out already. Give her a good blow, and then you can floss your teeth. Got her all cleaned out, I think. Oh yeah, it went way further in there. It's charging. Even if I wiggle it a little bit, it's still charging. All fixed up. Cost me about $1. You can get these at the dollar store, super cheap. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, like it, subscribe. See you on the next one.